Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Facebook watch history. Now if you have the latest up-to-date version of Facebook, then you don't have to do anything because Facebook, like the latest version of Facebook, doesn't store any watch history, which means whatever video I watch, it's not going to store it. Well, in the old past version of Facebook, it did store it, but now the latest version doesn't store it, which means it also doesn't give you the option of deleting watch history because there is no history being stored, so you can't delete anything. So that is how we guys can delete Facebook watch history by updating your Facebook. But if you have not yet updated your Facebook and you want to delete watch history, in that case you need to go in menu and click on the setting icon at the top right. Inside your setting, you want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says activity log. From over here, click on where it says activity history. Then over here you want to click on where it says filters, and then at the bottom choose categories, and from inside categories you want to choose where it says logged information. From over here you can see the option called watch history, and you can click on it and start deleting your watch history. So that's how we guys can do it on the older version. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.